Most people think falling prices sound like a good thing. Cheaper food, cheaper products, cheaper living. On the surface, deflation feels like relief. But in reality, deflation is one of the most dangerous economic conditions an economy can face. Deflation simply means that prices are consistently going down over time. Your money gains value instead of losing it. Today, $1 buys more than it did yesterday. That sounds positive, but the problem is not what happens to prices, it's what happens to behavior. When people expect prices to keep falling, they stop spending. Why buy today if it will be cheaper tomorrow? This mindset spreads quickly. Consumers delay purchases, businesses see lower demand, sales slow down. When businesses sell less, profits fall. To survive, companies cut costs. Hiring freezes happen, salaries stop growing, layoffs begin. Suddenly, people have less income, which causes them to spend even less. That's how deflation creates a downward spiral. Debt becomes heavier during deflation. Even though prices fall, the amount you owe doesn't. Your income may shrink, but your loan payments stay the same. Mortgages, student loans, business loans all feel more painful when money becomes harder to earn. This is why deflation hurts workers and small businesses the most. Large corporations may survive longer, but everyday people feel the pressure almost immediately. Jobs become insecure, opportunities slow down, risk-taking disappears. Deflation also discourages investment. Why invest in a business or the stock market when holding cash becomes more attractive? Money sits on the sidelines instead of flowing through the economy. Growth slows, innovation slows. History shows this clearly. Countries that experienced long periods of deflation struggled to recover because confidence was destroyed. Once fear replaces optimism, restarting growth becomes extremely difficult. This is why central banks fear deflation more than inflation. Inflation can be controlled by raising interest rates. Deflation is harder to fight because lowering rates doesn't always encourage spending when people are scared. For individuals, deflation changes how you should think about money. Saving feels safer, but relying only on cash can still limit long-term growth. Skills, adaptability, and multiple income sources matter more than ever during deflationary periods. Deflation teaches an important lesson. A healthy economy needs movement. Money needs to circulate. People need confidence to spend, invest, and take risks. When everything freezes, everyone loses. So while cheaper prices sound attractive, deflation is not a gift. It's a warning sign that something deeper is slowing down beneath the surface. Understanding deflation helps you see why economic balance matters. Not too hot, not too cold. Growth, stability, and confidence are what truly protect your financial future.